Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rupesh Tech. So from today we are going to start a new programming language and the fastest growing programming language, that is Python. In Python I will try to teach you from basic, so don't worry. If you have not any previous knowledge of any programming language like C, C++ and Java, it doesn't matter for you. I am here to make you understand from zero level. I will keep in mind that you are the beginners and try to teach you like a KG student. So don't worry about anything. And if you have any questions, you can directly message me on Instagram and comment your query in the comment sections. I will try to respond as soon as possible. That's all for today. And if you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and stay updated with these channels. Thank you and goodbye.